In the last lecture, we have discussed convergence of filter and filter base. Today, I will continue the topic. Now, the first theorem states that let Xt be a topological space and let P be a filter based on X. Then P converges to a point X belongs to X if and only if every neighborhood of X contains a member of P. In the last lecture, we have proved that in a topological space X, if B is a filter based on X, then P converges to a point X belongs to X if and only if every member of local base at X contains a member of filter base B. And here we have to show that B converges to X if and only if every neighborhood of X contains a member of P. Let us prove this theorem. Let filter base B converge to X. Then we have to prove that every neighborhood of X contains a member of P. So let N be a neighborhood of X. Let B star X be a local base at X. Then by definition of local base, there exists a member B of B star of X such that B is contained in neighborhood N. And we know that if filter base B converges to X, then every member of B star X contains a member of B, which we have proved earlier. And so B contains a member of filter base B. But then N contains a member of B because N contains B and B contains a member of filter base B. So N contains a member of filter base B. As N is an arbitrary neighborhood of X, so every neighborhood of X contains a member of B. Conversely, let every neighborhood of X contain a member of B. So, every member of local base B star of X contains a member of B because we know that B star of X contains a collection of neighborhoods of X. And so, every member of local base B star X contains a member of B. And so, B converges to X by definition of convergence of filter base. Now, the next theorem states that let Xt be a topological space and let A be a subset of X. And let X be a point of space X. Then X belongs to closure of A if and only if there exists a filter based on A which converges to X. Let us prove this theorem. Let B be a filter based on A converging to X. Then by previous theorem, for each neighborhood n of x, there exists a member B of filter base B such that B is contained in n. As B is a filter based on A, so B is a collection of subsets of A. As B is a non-empty subset of A, so n contains at least one point of A. Thus, every neighborhood of X contains a point of A. And so, X is an adherent point of A. That is, X belongs to closure of A. Conversely, let X belongs to closure of A. Then we know that every neighborhood of X contains a point of A. That means every member of the neighborhood filter n of X intersects A because n of X is the collection of all neighborhoods of X, and since each neighborhood of X contains a point of A, so every member of neighborhood filter n of X intersects A. Now consider the collection B containing sets of the form A intersection N where N is a neighborhood of X. We shall show that B is a filter based on A. Clearly, B is a non-empty collection of subsets of A by definition of B. As A intersection n is non-empty for every n belongs to n of x, because every neighborhood of x intersects A, so A intersection n is non-empty for any neighborhood n of x, and so no member of B is empty. Now we have to check the second condition of a filter base. For A intersection n in B and for A intersection m in B, there exists A intersection n intersection m, which is equal to A intersection n intersection A intersection m, belongs to B, because n intersection m belongs to n of x. Since n and m are neighborhoods of x, so n intersection m is a neighborhood of x, and so there exists a member A intersection n intersection m of B such that A intersection n intersection m is contained in A intersection n intersection A intersection m. And so we have shown that intersection of any two members of B contains a member of B. Hence, B is a filter based on A. As each member of n of x contains a member of B, because each member of B is obtained by taking intersection of a member of n with A. And so each member of n of x contains a member of B. So the filter generated by B is evidently the neighborhood filter n of x. Since n of x converges to x, so by definition of convergence of a filter base B converges to x. Now I am giving you a home assignment. Let Xt be a topological space and let A be a non-empty subset of X and X be a point of space X. Then prove that X is an accumulation point of A, that is, X is a limit point of A if and only if there exists a filter based on complement of singleton X which converges to X. Now, the next theorem gives us a characterization of an open set in a topological space in terms of convergence of filter on that space. Now, the theorem states that let Xt be a topological space and let A be a non-empty subset of X. Then A is T open if and only if A belongs to every filter on X which converges to a point of A. Let us prove this theorem. Let A be a T open set. Then we have to prove that A belongs to every filter on X which converges to a point of A. So let F be a filter on X converging to a point X belongs to X. Then we have to prove that A belongs to filter F. Since F converges to point X, so F contains every neighborhood of X. As A is T open and X belongs to A, so A itself is a neighborhood of X, and so A belongs to filter F. Conversely, let A belong to every filter on X converging to a point of A. Then we have to show that A is T open. So we have to show that A is a neighborhood of each of its points. Let A be an arbitrary point of A. Then we have to show that A is a neighborhood of X. And we know that the neighborhood filter n of X converges to point X. And so, by the hypothesis, A belongs to n of x, as we have assumed that A belongs to every filter on X which converges to a point of A. And so A belongs to n of x. That is, A is a neighborhood of x. As x is an arbitrary point of A, so A is a neighborhood of each of its points. Hence, A is T open. Thank you.